Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. I'm back with another reading today. Today, we are going to cover Libra. Libra, we are going to check your current energies, your current situation, what is really going on in your life. If there is something hidden, some hidden reality, some hidden truth that you don't see, you don't realize yet, we will try to clarify that. Also, we will get some advice and suggestions for you in this situation. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, Libra, let's start your reading today. Let's see your current energies, your current situation. Okay, Libra, first off, we have a Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Swords, and a Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, there is a kind of loss, some financial or some emotional loss. Maybe you had a breakup or had an argument with your person. There is a, what I can see from this spread, there is a loss that has hurt you deeply. Okay, and you are very much stressed about it. So much so that your emotional stress is kind of manifesting into your physical. Sorry, I don't know what I said, but maybe I just said emotional rest. Okay, I just want to say your emotional stress is manifesting into physical illness or physical stress. Maybe you are having body aches, body pains, or maybe a fever or some kind of health issues right now. Why this is so? Because there is a loss. There could be a emotional, a financial loss as well, since we have a Five of Pentacles. Something that is bothering you and eating you up a lot. Because I sense, Libra, you're trying your best. You feel you invested a lot, you did a lot, you put a lot of efforts into something, but you lost an opportunity, you lost an opportunity for growth or of a new beginning. Okay, despite of all this thing, you're still hopeful, you're still you still believe that you can handle this situation, you can still come out of this situation by your own, because you think you have a limitless potential. And let me tell you, Libra, that is very true. You have a limitless potential. It is great, and I'm glad that you're aware of your potential. You have plenty of ideas on how you can come out of this situation quickly. Ha! Five of Pentacles in reverse. See, we have a Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles generally suggests there is a kind of financial loss, or maybe something is going down, something is decreasing. Okay, and Five of Pentacles in reverse means something is recovering. Maybe you are going to recover from a financial situation. That is the exact meaning. Okay, and since you believe in yourself, that is going to help you to recover from this situation. Oh my god, that was what exactly I was telling you. Okay. Libra, just be sure, be mindful. As I said, this in this reading, where we may get some messages, some hidden truth or reality that you may not see, you may not realize, and we got some message of that sort. Libra, be aware of manipulative people. Maybe somebody is backbiting, somebody is bitching or doing gossip behind you. Somebody really, really hopes that you struggle, you stay stuck in the situation, or you fail, or it is just that you don't get successful, or it is just there that it is just that they're so much power hungry that even if they cannot make you fail, because you have the potential, you have the ideas, and you have the confidence, the self confidence that is really needed in this situation to recover from this, and you will be recovering from this situation. So if at all they cannot make you fail, they're enjoying and they are getting a lot of sense of pleasure, that they can make you suffer by manipulating your surrounding situation, or manipulating your surrounding people, or manipulating your journey. You have to be very careful and stay alert of those kind of people, Libra. there are a little bit there is a little bit of sense of haters, like haters are there for you. Okay. Libra, as I said, you have a lot of potential. Since we have a page of wands here, you have passion towards it. You're very passionate towards your goals. You want to achieve your goals, and you have the skills to achieve that. You just have to make sure, Libra, that you don't get dragged into this dirty politics. I generally don't do these kind of readings, but since I'm getting this message, I would like to convey this message to you. You have to, at all times, Libra, you have to keep that in mind, that you are not stuck, you are not trapped by anyone or by anything or by any situation. You are free. You can recover. You can change your situation. You have to make that, you have to make yourself believe that, and you have to keep a reminder of that. Just don't forget your powers. Okay? Don't forget your powers. You're free, and you will be. I sense, Libra, this is the energy, the Eight of Swords in reverse, that you can see the reality, you can take some actions, you can bring change in your life. You have that realization in you. You just have to keep yourself reminding it time to time. Since we have a Tower card in we have the Tower card in upright for you at the bottom of the deck. There is a definite renewal in your situation. Something toxic, something bad, ending of a bad cycle or toxic phase is here, and something is going to be renewed. Some new beginning, some happiness, something you will be able to build something with a strong foundation. See, as we have the Tower card, something is getting shattered. Why? Because the foundation is not strong, the base is not strong. But once it is shattered, you will have the skills, you will know how, why this tower fell, and you will rebuild something from all those lessons, from all those skills, and you will know how to make your base, your foundation strong, how to protect yourself, your energies, how to protect your materialistic things, your spiritual, emotional being from these kind of manipulators. Stay calm throughout this whole journey, Libra. That is the huge message I would like to convey you. Stay calm. Keep your mind at peace and relaxation. Okay, keep your mind stress free. Why? If you question yourself, why should I? Because this is a chaotic situation. How could I do that? Okay, just remember, you are skillful, you are powerful, and the time will change. You're not alone in this journey. Since we have Five of Pentacles twice in this card, you are not alone in this journey. Universe is there for you, with you. Okay, that's all I had for you, Libra. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.